Didn't already have, and cause never was the reason for the evening, or the topic of Sir Galahad. So please believe in me when I say
Just trying to give you a look at the entire cake. This is an 11 by 15 cake, single layer yellow buttercream icing. And as you can see, it's a retirement cake. I believe this person has been working for 35 years. I think it's with St. Lucie County. I'm not sure, but some type of job with St. Lucie County, I believe. So I'll be delivering this, and you can see the little man is made of gum paste. Nearly everything is completely gum paste. There are a few parts of it that has some fondant, but mainly gum paste. The fishing rod is this part of it is actually a thick floral wire, and then this is the very thin white floral wire that I'm using as a string. But the handle and whatnot is made of gum paste. The igloo, the little cooler is made all of fondant. The boat was gum paste, and I used a styrofoam bottom. I covered it with gum paste to support it, and used royal icing to kind of weld together the parts. And then I have grass. You have some buttercream icing with grass, and then styrofoam, excuse me, not styrofoam, but gum paste grass. And the cattails are gum paste dusted with dusting powder, and it was placed on spaghetti vermicelli. I think that's it.